Bismillah. Yo, welcome to my YouTube channel Official Ghetto. It's your boy Abdi Ahmed aka Chief Police, and today I want to cook for you Anjera Somali and a stew of yellow peas. So, and making of Anjera Somali, it's a mixture of wheat flour, maize flour, and also I have added a little of yeast and also a little of salt. So, and I have mixed it yesterday night at around 9 p.m. and I'm cooking today morning at around 8 a.m. So let us start cooking our Anjera Somali. Let's cook our yellow peas stew, and we start with our onion, my tomato, okay. Let's wait until our tomato will be softened. Okay, our tomato is ready. We add our yellow peas. This is boiled yellow peas. Then I add my also boiled, and I have peeled. This is my potato and I have boiled it. I mixed it. I add my spices like cumin seeds, I add my parsley leaves, also I add my lemon powder, then salt to taste, and I mixed it very well. Okay, let us wait 5 minutes. Let us look our stew. Our stew is ready and I'm ready to eat. So let me serve. Bismillah. This is the end of our video, and thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the notification bell so that you can see whenever I upload my videos. Peace.